Hello everyone, and welcome back to the garden. It's that time of year again. The seed catalogues are arriving and we're all starting to dream of the warmer days ahead. Imagine planting a garden that stops your neighbors in their tracks, bursting with vibrant colors, unbeatable flavors, and award-winning vegetables. What if I told you the secret is out and you could be the first to grow these 2025 All-America Selections winners? These aren't just any vegetables, you see. These are the tried and tested, the best of the best, the ones that have proven themselves in trials across the country. And today I'm going to give you a sneak peek at 5 of my absolute favorites. Now, I'm always on the lookout for something a bit different, something with a bit of character, and this thriller winter squash certainly fits the bill. Just look at those colors. It's like a work of art with its variegated cream, green and bright orange patterns swirling across the skin. And the best part is it's not just a pretty face. Thriller is a dumpling squash, which means it's small, about 1 to 2 pounds, and perfect for stuffing and roasting. The flavor is creamy and sweet, and it's ready to harvest in just 75 to 80 days. Now, you might think something this beautiful would be high maintenance, but that's the beauty of All-America Selections. They're bred to be easy to grow. Thriller is resistant to powdery mildew, and each plant produces around 8 fruits, so you'll have plenty to share if you can bear to part with them. Next up, we have Constance, and let me tell you, this purple kohlrabi is as reliable as its name suggests. I'm particularly fond of kohlrabi. It's such a versatile vegetable. You can eat it raw, roasted, or even pickled, and this variety is something special. The vibrant purple hue extends right into the leaf margins, making it a real showstopper in the garden, but it's not just about looks with Constance. The real beauty lies in its flavor, crisp, sweet, and peppery, with a smoother skin than other varieties. Plus, the bulbs are crack-resistant, which is always a bonus. And here's an extra treat. The leaves are edible too. Tender when young, they're delicious roasted or sautéed. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, Constance is a winner. Chapter 3, Pick and Pop Yellow Peppers, a snackable sensation. Now, who doesn't love a sweet, juicy pepper straight from the garden? These Pick and Pop yellow peppers are perfect for snacking, and they're so prolific you'll be handing them out to all your neighbors. Each plant produces an incredible 50 to 100 bright yellow peppers, and they're perfectly portioned for a quick bite. They're sweet, juicy, and have a satisfying crunch, making them ideal for salads, stir-fries, or just munching on as you wander through the garden. And don't let their compact size fool you. These plants are powerhouses. They're resistant to bacterial leaf spot, which can be a real problem for peppers, and they thrive in containers, so even if you have limited space, you can still enjoy a bountiful harvest. Chapter 4, Tomatonatico, a cherry tomato champion. Now let's talk tomatoes. If you're a fan of cherry tomatoes, you're going to love Tomatonatico. This variety is an absolute winner in my book. It's an indeterminate type, which means it will keep on growing and producing fruit all season long. And when I say producing, I mean it. Each plant can yield an astounding 150 to 200 small, round tomatoes. Just imagine baskets overflowing with these sweet, juicy gems. But it's not just the quantity that impresses me, it's the quality. The flavor is robust and well balanced, and the texture is firm, so they hold their shape well in salads. Plus, they're resistant to a whole host of diseases, including fusarium wilt, tomato mosaic virus, nematodes, and bacterial speck. Chapter 5. Green lightning pattypan squash speed and flavor combined. And finally, let's talk about speed. If you're looking for a quick and easy crop that's ready to harvest in a flash, then look no further than Green Lightning Pattypan Squash. This variety lives up to its name, maturing in as little as 40 days from transplanting. And don't let its speed fool you. This squash is packed with flavor. The fruits are glossy, medium green with light green stripes and have a mild, sweet taste that's delicious roasted, grilled or even eaten raw. One of the things I love about pattypan squash is their versatility in the kitchen. They're small enough to stuff but also hold their shape well when sliced and grilled. Plus, they add a touch of elegance to any dish with their unique scallop-shaped form. Get growing with the 2025 winners. Well, there you have it. 5 fantastic vegetables that are sure to bring you joy in the garden and delight on your plate. These 2025 All-America selections. Winners aren't just plants, they're game changers for your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these veggies will elevate your growing experience with their unique colors, flavors, and versatility. Don't wait, grab your seeds and get growing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're as excited about these 2025 winners as I am. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gardening tips. See you in the garden.